So my name is Jeff Wilbrecht. I'm the RTC project manager. I'm here to kind of show you how easy it is to get through Midtown. Virginia Street's open. So today we're gonna go southbound on South Virginia Street, and we're gonna kind of just check out the job site, look at all the temporary construction parking that the contractors provided, look at all the side streets that are open, and just kind of take a general tour of Midtown. So we're up at Liberty, and now we're coming southbound towards California. So coming up just south of California, on the left side of the road, there's lots of temporary construction parking that you can see that we've set up for this part of Midtown. So there's all diagonal parking, angled parking. That's open all day long for customers and people to come visit Midtown. About to pass St. Lawrence, where there's lots of cool shops and businesses to come visit and eat at. There's the Sticks development. So we really tried to put as much temporary parking out as possible during construction, just to get people to be able to come in and visit the businesses and come visit Midtown. We also have a Lyft subsidy or a discount that you can get up to 50% off your trip into Midtown using Lyft. Just passing LaRue, still continuing south. So Midtown's really easy. It's just all southbound movement. We have all the signal systems kind of timed and oriented such that, as you're going south, if there's cross traffic, it's gonna, allow cross traffic to go safely. And there's lots of parking. Just look for other drivers, obviously. Construction traffic as it is kind of coming through, look for flaggers. Every one of our construction crews has a dedicated flagger with them that's helping kind of direct traffic, and they're really nice ladies and people that are helping with the construction. So we're just now passing Caliente, and again, you're seeing lots of the temporary Midtown parking. A lot of the work on the mainline joint trench is complete. That main trunk that goes north-south from Plum to Liberty is done. And now we're doing all the service lateral elements of it. So where it goes down some of the side streets and connects to the actual services. That work is ongoing. We're also doing a lot of storm drain work for the city of Reno, and Tumwa water main work up by kind of Cheney area. We're just now getting to Mount Rose, and the light is red. It looks like there's some people crossing in front of us. Unless we're doing work actually in that specific side street, all the side streets are open. At a minimum, we have alternating side streets that are open. So you can always use Plumas on the west side, and then Wells or Center Street on the east side to then access into Midtown. With Center Street being a northbound only road, having Virginia Street as southbound only really kind of creates that good accessibility for people to be able to move through the corridor. So we're coming down to Wells now, kind of the south end of the project site, and we're at Plum. So this drive from Liberty to Plum took just over 4 minutes. So it's pretty easy. We can get through the traffic, get through Midtown pretty quickly.